Here's the exact 3-step process to learn anything 10 times faster without burning out halfway through or binge watching 12 productivity videos that make you feel smart but change nothing. I'm not talking about generic advice like highlight your notes or use flashcards. I'm talking about the kind of learning that sticks, that turns into reflex, not regret. The kind that makes you go, wait, how did I get so good at this so fast? But here's the truth. Most people think they are learning, but they're really just collecting quotes, screenshots, study hacks, whatever makes them feel productive. But watching 100 videos doesn't mean you learn anything, including this. Reading 5 books doesn't mean you're grown. And no, just because you highlighted it doesn't mean you own it. You don't remember what you read, you remember what you use. And somewhere inside, you already know that. The stuff that actually stuck, the concepts you remember without trying, those came from action, from doing, messing up, adjusting, trying again. That's where real learning happens, not in theory, intention. Let me explain. Step 1. Focus. That means shutting the world off. No music, no background YouTube, no fake multitasking. You want to actually learn something. Give it 5 minutes of your full attention. Like no distraction, no tabs open. You and the idea. That's it. Step 2. Reflect. Ask yourself, where does this fit in my life? What changes because I know this now? It doesn't have to be deep. It just has to be honest. If the answer is nothing changes, then congrats, you didn't learn. You just collected another idea you'll forget in a week. Step 3. Apply. Even if it's ugly. Even if you get it wrong the first 5 times. Especially if you get it wrong the first 5 times. You're not learning unless you're messing up a little. Take a thing out of your head and turn it into something in real life. Otherwise, it's just another idea gathering dust in your notes app. And then teach. Doesn't matter if it's your friend, your little brother, or you facing the front camera. The point is, you can't fake understanding when you have to explain it to someone else. Teaching forces clarity. It shows you the holes and even it makes you own what you know. Everyone talks about being smart, but the real mastery doesn't come from being smart. It comes from being engaged. Stop thinking learning is about how much you can take in. It's about how much you can convert. For every hour you're learning, spend 2 hours doing. Talk about it, practice it, struggle with it. If the knowledge doesn't feel a little uncomfortable, you're not touching the growth. Most people drown in information. The ones who get ahead, they swim in it, they move with it, they make it real. You're not behind, you're not broken. You're just one honest action away from making it all click. So stop scrolling, start building. Stop collecting, start becoming.